it's Hana, and we are about to create some magical coffee moments together. We will be tackling the art of iced coffee, just like all friends, sharing our favorite coffee hacks. Ready to sip and learn? First, let's gather our ingredients you will need. Freshly brewed coffee, ice cubes, sugar, milk or cream. Now let's break down the process into simple steps so you can enjoy a perfect glass of iced coffee anytime you want. Step 1. Brew your coffee. Brew your coffee. Make a strong cup of coffee as you usually do. It could be from a coffee machine, French press, or instant coffee. Just follow the instructions on your coffee pack. Step 2. Cool your coffee. Let your coffee cool down. Allow it to reach room temperature. You can speed up the cooling process by placing it in the fridge briefly, but don't add ice yet. Step 3. Ice time. Add ice. Fill your glass with ice cubes. Step 4. Pour the coffee. Pour the cold coffee over the ice. This chills your coffee without diluting its taste. Step 5. Sweeten and cream. Customize your coffee. If you like it sweet, add sugar to your liking. For creaminess, include milk or cream. Stir everything together. And that's it. Your refreshing iced coffee is ready to enjoy. It's fantastic on a warm day or whenever you need. Remember, you can adjust the sweetness and creaminess to suit your taste. Don't forget to visit our website blogginggoodfood.com for more detailed kitchen product reviews and a treasure trove of food-related content. Now go ahead and enjoy your homemade iced coffee.